Today we're going to be reviewing a Softbox lighting kit. Here's what comes in the box. Brings its own bag. This is the Softbox. It's already built. Good. You got a carrying case. Nice carrying case. You get 180 bits LED lamp. So you can take this off, but this is the actual lighting kit. The light or the bulb. It brings a remote, which needs 2 AAA batteries, which you can dim the light 20, 50, and 100%, put it warm or cold or white, and then you can gradually do it here with these buttons right here, automatic and recycling. You have a manual, tells you how to put it together, and it brings a tripod, which is very good because you have your whole setup at once. You go, then you tighten it up here. It's pretty sturdy for the price. Pretty sturdy tripod. You get it. Let's see how tall. It's the tallest it'll go. It's on 5'8", or probably 5'2", 5 feet 2 inches. And then we'll put this together. So to get the Softbox ready, you just push this inside, all the sizing at once, and that's all. Now it's ready to go. You mount it. You unscrew this part back here, unscrew it, and then you just place it on your tripod. Lower it just in case you can see it. Lower it more. So you turn it, put it on the top, and then you just turn it, secure it both ways, really tight. It's a 16 by 16 box, so it's not huge, but you can use it for do live videos or portrait photography or product photography. You can use it for all that. Small enough, and it's versatile enough that you get multiple uses of it, which is really good. For the pricing, it's great. If you're starting photography or videography, making videos, it's a great tool to have. It brings a diffuser, so this makes the light softer, so it's not harsh light. It has Velcro on the top, on the sides, on the top here, and on the sides, in each corner. So you have it. Oh, let's turn it on real quick. Got a color right here. Oh, press this button, and there you have it. It's how bright it is out of the. Just turning it on 100%. You can see if I put it here, I'm recording a video and I put it right next to me. I'm very well lit now. I'm using another one, a bigger one, but this is a small one. I can put it next to my phone and record myself if I don't want to bring the big one, which that's very convenient to have. You can see here, I'm gonna put it here next to my phone, and let me see here out of the frame, and if you see, it lights you up real good. Definitely worth it. Has a remote that you can use to dim it, so it's dimmable 20, 50, and or you could do it 100. You can change the colors. Let me do that real quick. You can see, put it to the side so you can see it. It doesn't blind you, but turn it off. That's how bright it is. You can do auto. Now you just pick to give you the whatever color. Or rotate colors. You can change the brightness, so you dim it however bright you need it, and the Kelvin, so you can make it bright like blue, or you can make it more orange. So if you did need a different color, like more warm tones, you could do it on the sides, or you can just do auto if you want it cold, warm, and then just white. Which with the controller you can just change it. You see your video, it doesn't look right, you can change it a little bit warmer here, and then just dim it. It'll give you a nice warm look. So definitely recommend it. For the prices, it's a steal. So if you're looking for a Softbox that is user friendly, very portable, you can take it with you, it's well priced, here it is. So hope this video helped, and thank you.